Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now, Candy Wow is hanging out with her friends and she's playing some music, you know, and to our surprise, Candy Wow is doing music. And she did a song with the artist that is known as Baby Lord. You see me? But that's not what we're talking about right now, viewers and subscribers. Now I'm talking about a song that had been played. I don't know if it is Candy played or one of our friends, but this song is about Mackerel and Candy. And to me, I like this song because this song, you know, brings some form of unity within dancehall. So I say to you, and it is said that this song has been done by an entertainer, or should I say an artist that is known as Stylex, right? Now, to me call this music, can't say Candy without Mackerel or Mackerel without Candy. One out of the two. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I present it to you for you to take a listen for yourself and tell me what I think. Alright? So I want you to listen carefully and observe.
Me say you can't say Mackerel, and you not say Candy. No, not at all. Can I get a wow? Me say you can't say Mackerel, and you not say Candy. No, not at all. Can I get a wow? And the two black girls, them a run the place. Every dancehall, them a done the place. One name Mackerel and one name Candy. You want to see them face? Candy said the cool man, she up the TikTok. And if you let the man kill this Mackerel, take that. No, not at all. Can I get a wow? They say you can't say Mackerel, and you not say Candy. No, not at all. Can I get a wow? They say you can't say Mackerel, and you not say Candy. No, not at all. Can I get a wow? So me say one more big, one more small, one of them not in a top teeth at all.
So there you have it, viewers and subscribers, the Mackerel and Candy Wow song, as I call it, you know. Again, me would have call it, say, you can't say Candy without Mackerel, or you can't say Mackerel without Candy. One out of the two is so me call it, you see me I say. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, I don't know, so me Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep it up to date and post it and make you know what I want. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla, uno big up on yourself. You see?